Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today is one of the finest days. Reason why I'm saying is, if you have not watched yesterday's video, I will strongly suggest you to go and watch yesterday's video once. That will give you the confidence in the way you can plan your trades and you can execute your trades better. See, whenever market opens 100 points gap down, there should be a set of rules which you should follow predominantly. At least you should wait for first 15 minutes candles break either on the downward direction or on the upward direction. Whatever the rule is, you have to follow certain rules. See, market opened here. Okay, market went up and market gave a small uh, downward movement here, right? So if I show you the structure here, market started here, went up, came down, and market was completely consolidating. The moment it gave you a closure here, you need to look for a supply. So how do you identify the supply is which candle was the candle which was required for you to break the structure in the downward direction. That is what you have to first start looking. So this is the first candle which was responsible for you to break the structure on the downward direction, right? Till then market was just consolidating. My call discussion yesterday was very clear. I am not interested in call. I am interested only above this range, only about 24,530 is what I had set for call range. So call is completely unavoidable in this current market scenario. You should never ever take a call position here. So what about put option? So the moment we identify a supply, once market retraces back to the supply, simply plan a short position. Simple as that. Plan a short position here, keep this swing point high as your SL. And I also told, like, market can easily travel till here. The moment market moves below this, you can trail candle to candle, meaning if market, you can even book your profits here. If you wanted to have an extended target, keep trailing for every 5 minutes. The moment the previous candle's high is being closed with a closure, then only you are going to exit. Till then you can keep trailing your profit. See, this kind of move happens once in a blue moon. I even marked and gave you all these targets. All these targets cannot be given by anyone. Those who knew SMC concepts very clearly, only they can capture such beautiful moves. I was able to capture this move today. I am not sure whether you captured. If you had captured it, well and good. Please let me know in the comments how your trading day went. What was your reasoning behind the trade and all. So let's go to a little bit higher time frame, 30 minutes time frame for now, and we'll analyze what is the prediction for tomorrow. So predominantly market has shifted to bearish. Okay, so if you see here in 4 hours, only catch in 4 hours is market will turn to negative in 4 hours also, provided we get closures below today's low point. Meaning, even if you take this swing point, recent swing point here, this swing point, if we get 4 hours closure for tomorrow, then we can see a even bigger move till here, or even at least till here, because this was a indecision candle which was responsible for this break of structure. There is a gap left open, so there are ideal targets on the downward direction. First target being here, this swing point can be acting as your first point target. Somewhere close to 23,650 can be the first target once the low is broken, and second target can be 23,470. The ideal extended target can be all the way till 23,300. All these targets can be met only if your quantity size is low. The moment you keep your quantity size extremely high, you will see small profits and you will start to close your trades very soon. Then you will regret as to why you did not hold the trade longer. Okay, so what about call position? Can we focus only on put, or can we focus on retracement? What we can see from 4 hours also is market has done a liquidity sweep and it has closed up. Okay, and there is a lot of inefficiencies in the market, meaning it was a one-sided flow which happened. So there is this open supply, there is this supply which is left open, and there is a gap for today's session which are left to be tested by the market. So what can eventually happen is, once we get a closure below this, market can go all the way till here, or market can again give you a small drama tomorrow, because tomorrow being Sensex expiry, what can happen is market can again do a liquidity sweep, make you think that it is going to go downward direction. And if we get something like this in a smaller time frame, I am interested to take the market higher. This is the only scenario I'm interested to take the market higher. Reason being, this open supplies has to be hunted by the market. This gamma blast can happen only because of tomorrow's Sensex expiry. Don't think that I'm planning a call position even though the market is negative. It's not like that. The reason why I'm saying this call position can be planned is because of this liquidity sweep. Liquidity sweep happens only during swing points. Okay, and also there is one more important point to be noted is there are equal low liquidity sitting even here. So be very careful in the market. And if market opens flat and goes down, keep your quantity size small and make sure that you exit the trade once if a bigger reversal like this happens in a smaller time frame, because this will show that the market is ready to plan a retracement move. And this retracement move can also be a very faster move, making you bigger losses if your quantity size is higher. So the best case scenario for me tomorrow is if market opens very big gap up, very big gap up somewhere close to 24,200. What I would do is simply I will plan a short position here if market opens gap up like this, and I will again take the trade down till here. Easily this target can be met if this kind of a negative reaction is got from the market. These are the only possible scenarios I am interested in the market. If market opens very big gap down, I will completely avoid. If it opens even bigger gap up, I will completely avoid. If market opens flat and goes up also, I am avoiding. So if market opens flat and comes down, I am keeping very small quantity and making sure that I am taking the trade all the way till 23,500 at least to at least. This 300 moves is a very easily capturable move. So first target will be 24,640. Below that, I will be starting to trail my trades. Okay, I hope this video is educative. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in the next education video.